I'm Ed Albin, dispatcher for Central Concrete Pumping. Been using the program for a long time, since the first part of the first program that came out. Now this is 3, so it's evolved quite a bit. And I do all the scheduling and take care of all the daily operations and keep everything moving. And this program helps me do that.
What about the rapid Gotabs? How do you like the rapid Gotabs?
They're great. I like them because guys can have all their information there. They can see everything, notes that I put in there. They can keep their job status current, where I can see what they're doing all the time. Some of them, they're not hitting their buttons like they should, but they get a little busy. But you say you got something that's going to fix that. I love it. I love being able to communicate back and forth, and giving them information is a big key. It helps a lot.
Do the tablets help you have any side benefits, like on-job issues that come up, or?
Well, yeah, like some guys that are on job, they had a difficult setup. Hey, the next time that the next pump is going to be there, they'll take pictures and put them in the gallery. That helps. That the next guy that goes there, he can look at those pictures and see where this last guy set up or where you're going to set. That's beneficial. I like that a lot. That's information that helps the guys and me. I can have them refer back to those pictures and look at those. So I like that. But it's evolving in a direction that it's nonstop. So it's new things all the time are great.
How do you feel if you had to give up the tablets and go back to paper? How would you feel about that?
It wouldn't be as efficient. I like the information the way we can transfer it back and forth. That's a big benefit to me, as opposed to maybe calling them or texting them. They can get information, I think, quicker, and it stays current. It stays there for other operators to view if they need to. So it's just really beneficial there. The mapping part of it is probably my most favorite. There's some things that we're working with that is doing, that's not doing. What I like about the map part of it is we don't have any map skills anymore. I used to make maps and route the guys where they're going to go. So we had to print the maps, make a copy of the maps, send a map with them. If they're coming in wee hours of the morning and say we're not here, they don't have to have that. We don't have to do that night before. We don't have to have maps in there. I route the maps and verify the maps in the program. When they get here the next morning and clock in, they hit en route, and it takes them right where that pin is, where I put it. And they may question, and that's not really where, but if they just go where the pin is dropped, they're there all the time. So that's probably the feature that I like the best, is mapping them out and get them to the job site. Because everything that we do in the construction world is new construction. The streets aren't in there a lot of times, so contractors go there. Another thing, they go there and they can drop a pin, and they can even show me, I can drop a pin to the contractor, and it drops it and shows where they're going to land the next morning. And that's a benefit, because everything we do is new, and a lot of it's not even in Google mapping, but we can follow and drop it, and they can get there without any problems at all. So that's the biggest thing I like about that, is the mapping part.
How do you like using 3 monitors with the system?
I love it. Even when I only had one until we got the Rapid Hats program, and we could pull up a dispatch screen into that's a big one. I can have today's up over here, and I could be placing an order on today, and I'm in the middle of order, and another guy calls and wants to check on a pump, and I can hang up this guy, I can finish the information, and I can take another call, and a guy wants to check on or make a change to next Tuesday. I can leave that open and go over here and look at the schedule on next Tuesday. I say, yeah, I've got you for a certain time, and he wants to change that. I can make that change over here, and I don't have to close out. I don't have to hurry this order. I can complete what I got going on and answer a question and make a change in this other one. And then at the same time, I've even at times had 2 orders going at one time. When you get really busy, I've taken 2 orders, and a guy calls, hey, where's my pump? Well, that's what I use my third one for, is my tracking. I can go over here and I can see where all the pumps are at the Metroplex, and I can say, yeah, your pump, yeah, he's right downtown Dallas. He's fixing to, he's almost there. So I can have a lot going on here, and still track them. So the third monitor, to me, is the bomb. I couldn't do without it. Yeah.
How do you like rapid apps for dispatching?
Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I had Pump Magic 1, dispatched with Pump Magic 2, and now we have Rapid Apps. This program has evolved. It's with every update that we get, it does something new. It's the most efficient way to track your equipment that's in the field, to keep track of them, where they're going, whether the times, and just everything that you can do. And we've eliminated so much paperwork here, the mapping, or map books, printing maps. I just love it. It's the bomb.
How much better is it than paper?
100 times better. You don't need the paper. It's all right here. Everything. I can send information back and forth to the operators in the field in real time, and we can transfer information back and forth, their jobs the next day, where they're going, give them a heads up on what they're going to do, and it has made every. We used to be here when the office we get done at 5 o'clock. The phones kind of stop. I literally used to be here till sometimes 6 or 6:30. The old lady dispatch, trying to get it all verified, trying to get all the times passed out. 5 o'clock. I'm out of here. 5:01, maybe. That's it. I'm out of here. So it has made everything more efficient. Everything, and my day gets completed now on time. If I'm late, it's because I'm monitoring a job that has to have my attention or something. But it's just because of a crazy job site. It's not because of this. I'm done at the 5 o'clock hour, and times are passed out, and so yeah, it's made everything more efficient.